Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. So if I do first the derivative of the function with respect to s, so that means s is the variable, y is likely the number. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So that means we do first the derivative of s squared multiplied by tan of s squared multiplied with y. Later that we do first the derivative of this one multiplied by s squared. So first the derivative of this one you got about 2s. First the derivative of tan we will have about secant of s squared multiplied by y. Later that we continue do first the derivative of s squared with y. And this is about the chain rule in here. So because y just likely the number, s is about variable. So first the derivative of s squared you got about 2s. S squared with s you got about s to the power of 3. Now we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to y. So that means y is the variable, s is likely the number. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we just concentrate about this one only because this one contains about y. So if we do first the derivative of tan, we will have about secant of s squared y. Later that we continue do first the derivative of s squared y. This is about the chain rule in here. So first the derivative of y we have number 1. So we just have only s squared. S squared and s squared we have s to the power of 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.